Alright, so in today's video we're going to try and figure out what's going on with our Tiffin 33AA. When I turn the key on and I try to move my slides, I get nothing. No sound, not even trying. And then down here, same thing with the jacks. Nothing's working with the jacks either. So it started out intermittently, where sometimes you'd hit the slide button, sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. So everything I've read online and researched tells me that it's probably one of the solenoids on the pump. So we're going to start with that today. And we're going to change out one of the solenoids, so stay tuned. Okay, so the solenoid in question that I believe is bad is this one right here. It's a continuous solenoid. There's two of them. There's one over here that's intermittent. The one here. This is your hydraulic pump that controls everything. So we're going to try swapping out this guy. See if we can get him fixed. Also, right here, in case you didn't, if you noticed, it shouldn't be that way. There was a 40 amp fuse holder in here that melted originally. I thought that might be the problem. So, when we figured out it wasn't, I picked up another 40 amp fuse holder, and we're going to put that in, along with changing the solenoid. Of course, I've already gone around and turn the power off. First thing I want to do is loosen these up, just so they're loose. So I don't have to fight with them once it comes off. These smaller ones are 3/8 in size, and the larger ones are 1/2 inch. And then the whole solenoid is held on by a clamp, which is kind of difficult to get at. Clamp is right in there. I gotta take the clamp off and then slide the solenoid off. I wanted to do both solenoids at the same time, but Tiffin only sent me one. Okay, so maybe you see that better now. There's a screw clamp back there that you got to get off. And then there's two little tabs right here that kind of hold that in place. As with everything, I recommend, and I did the same thing, I took pictures with my phone of where all the wires were before. And that way I can't make a mistake. I could, but... And then this is the replacement solenoid from HWH, so there goes. So I'm also going to do these one at a time so that I don't hopefully make a mistake. And I'm just going to snug these up till I get them all on. I'll tighten it up when I get it back in place. Okay, that's that one. Do the little guy. This one I'm going to snug up a little bit because one of the connectors is a push-on type, and I'm afraid moving it into the clamp might make it fall off, and then I have to... Alright, I think I got it. Now the fun part. They did not give me a lot of room to do this job. She's tight. I'm going to spray her down with some contact cleaner just because there's a little bit of oil on it. Clean her up real good. Got some oil on it when I did a previous fill on it. Now we're going to put the fuse holder back in. I got the fuse holder off of Amazon. I'll put a link in there for that. I think I'm going to shut my propane off too while I'm here. Okay, let's get the fuse in it. Alright, so we're good there. Now we'll just snug everything up, make sure we're good and tight. We're going to turn our batteries on. And then we'll go inside, see what happens. Alright, here's a moment of truth. See if anything happens. Let's try the slides. Yep. You can hear them. And now I can extend my jacks. So I think we got her. So that's how you replace the master solenoid. And apparently I don't need the other solenoid, but I'm gonna let it come if they do ship it. Like I say, Tiffin forgot to send it to me, or it was back ordered, I don't know which. But solves our problem.
If you like this video, you know what to do. Click subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in our next video.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. If I can answer them, I will.